welcome guys. So in the last video, we used the complex analysis to compute this exponential ax cosine bx dx. So in this video, we're trying to use the standard calculus approach, basically the integration by part, to calculate these things, and we will get the similar, exactly the same results. Okay, before I start, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next videos. So UdV equals to UV minus VDU, right? This is the standard integration by part. So one can write this cosine bx dx into the 1 over b sine bx derivative, right? So and then we use this cute formula. So we got exponential ax, and then this is v is, so now v is just 1 over b sine bx, right? We got this and the minus the same thing. So the derivative of this exponential ax give you the additional a. And you just clearly you get this, right? You get the eax b sine bx minus a b ex sine bx dx, right? And you this exponential ax sine bx dx can be used the integration by part again. Now there's additional negative sign here, so you get the cosine 1 plus cosine divided by b, and the derivative on this term. So you get this, and then you get this one. Okay. So now you see, oh, this term is exactly the same as the previous term, right? So you put this one term, this term, and this term put into this, right? So you get these three terms. Now you see you already get an answer, right? Because these terms and the left hand side is the same. So you can shuffle to the left hand side, and the right, and preserve the right hand side. So one is sine bx, one is cosine bx, and some divided by b and over b squared. And you you multiply these terms, right, to the right hand side. So this is b squared over divided by b squared plus a squared. So sine bx divided by b exponential ax plus a divided by b squared exponential ax cosine bx. And you just do some algebra calculation. Then finally you cancel this b squared for this a. So there's a times cosine bx, and then there's additional b in front of this sine bx. So finally your answer is exponential ax cosine bx dx equals to exponential ax a cosine bx plus b sine bx, and then divided by a squared plus b squared. Okay, and these are all calculations shown before, and I did all the details for you, so you can just directly copy it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.